Aqaba. Jordan's only coastal city lies on the shores of the Red Sea and is famous for its beaches, coral reefs, water sports, and luxury resorts. Here are the top 10 hotels in Aqaba that promise comfort, elegance, and memorable experiences. The first one is Kempinski Hotel, Aqaba, Red Sea. Kempinski Hotel is a luxurious seafront property known for its modern design and stunning Red Sea views. Rooms are elegantly furnished with floor-to-ceiling windows, offering breathtaking sunsets. The hotel features multiple dining restaurants, a private beach, infinity pools, and a spa. Guests love the professional service and vibrant nightlife option nearby. The second one is Intercontinental Aqaba Resort. This five-star resort is famous for its grand design and direct access to the private beach. Rooms are spacious with elegant interiors and balconies overlooking the Red Sea. Guests enjoy amenities like a large pool, spa, fitness center, and multiple restaurants serving international cuisine. Water sports include diving and snorkeling, are easily arranged. The third one is Movenpick Resort and Residence Aqaba. Movenpick Resort blends traditional Georgian architecture with Swiss hospitality standards. The property offers both hotel rooms and service apartments catering to families and long-stay travelers. Guests highlight the large swimming pool, spa, and multi-dining options. The private beach is perfect for swimming and relaxation. The fourth one is Hayat Regency Aqaba Isla Resort. Located within the Isla Oasis development, this resort offers a modern luxurious stay with a lagoon-style design. Rooms are spacious, offering chic interior and view of mountains, pools, or lagoons. The property features a golf courses, marina, pools, and spa facilities. Guests enjoy the mix of leisure and recreation from fine dining to adventurous activities. The fifth one is Doubletree by Hilton Hotel Aqaba. Doubletree offers a mix of comfort and elegance with rooms that are modern and well equipped. Guests love the rooftop pool, fitness center, and multiple restaurants. The hotel's location near the city center make it easy to access local markets, restaurants, and the beach. Service is warm and professional with signature Hilton hospitality. It's especially popular among business travelers and families, a refined mid to high range options. The next one is Al Manara, a luxury collection hotel. Part of Marriott's luxury collection, Al Manara offers refined urban elegance on the shores of the Red Sea. The rooms and suites are tastefully designed with cultural influences, blending modern comfort with heritage. The property has a private beach, outdoor pool, spa, and exceptional dining options. Guest appraises the attentive service and peaceful atmosphere. It is an excellent choice for luxury seekers wanting cultural touch, perfect for those who value exclusivity and style. The next one is Marina Plaza, Tel Aviv. Located in the Tel Aviv area, Marina Plaza is a popular for its family-friendly environment and access to a private beach club. Rooms are comfortable with balconies offering views of the Red Sea or mountains. The property features a large outdoor pool, restaurant, and bars. Guests love the relaxed resort-style vibe away from the city crowd. It is ideal for families and couples seeking a quieter beach getaway. The next one is La Costa Hotel. La Costa Hotel is a centrally located property offering modern comfort at mid-range prices. Rooms are clean, well furnished, and equipped with amenities like Wi-Fi and minibars. Guests highlight the breakfast variety and friendly service. Its location near a famous shopping area and restaurants make it very convenient. The atmosphere is professional and welcoming, a dependable choice for budget-conscious business and leisure travelers. The second last is My Luxury Hotel. True to its name, My Luxury Hotel provides a boutique-style experience with elegant rooms and personalized service. The hotel includes a rooftop pool, fitness facilities, and a restaurant serving international and Georgian cuisine. Guests enjoy the clean environment, helpful staff, and quiet setting despite being close to the city. It offers great value compared to larger resorts. A solid mid-range choice for those who want luxury touch without high prices. The last one is Bedouin Garden Village, a unique and cultural street. Bedouin Garden Village offers rustic charm near South Peak. The property has simple but cozy rooms, a garden, restaurant, and a dive center for snorkeling and diving trips. Guests enjoy the friendly, family-run atmosphere and cultural authenticity. It's popular among backpackers and adventure travelers that prefer budget stays near the coral reefs, a blend of portability, culture, and adventure. Altama is where the Red Sea meets Georgian Mark, offering travelers the resorts, vibrant beaches, and rich cultural experiences. From one-class hotel like Kempinski and Continental to budget-friendly and cultural stays like the Duin Garden Village. There are options for every traveler.